Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you? How are you? I cannot hear you.
Con nói có nghe đâu.
Yes,
Nhưng mà con nói con không có nghe.
it's okay now. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Hello, mic check. Hello, mic check. Hello, mic check, mic check, mic check. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Okay, now look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. So we are now in lesson 8.1 toys. Now, this time, do you want to sing a song? Yeah,
Yes.
great. Now let's listen, watch, and sing along. Here it is, Uyen.
Toys, toys, I like to share. Toys, 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 let's play together. My name is Mike. I am a boy. I like to play. I have many toys I like to share. Let's play together. I have a ball.
Apple.
I have a train.
Airplane.
I have a ship.
Airship.
Aship,
I have a plane.
Airplane.
I have a car.
Aircraft.
I have a boat.
Airboat.
I have a bike.
Airbike.
I have a robot.
a
Airrobot.
robot.
Toys, toys,
Toy.
I
I'd
like
like
to
to
share.
share.
Toys, toys,
Toys, toys,
toys. Let's
let's
play
play
together.
together. Wow, look at this. What toy is it?
Ball.
Very good. How about this one? Train.
Train.
Great. How about this? Plane.
Plane.
Yay. How about this?
Ship.
Very good. How about this one?
Car.
Great. What about this?
Door.
Great job. How about this one?
Bike.
Yay. And lastly,
Robot.
very good. Now let's look and sing again.
Name is Jane. I am a girl. I like to play. I have many toys I like to share. Let's
Let's
play
play
together.
together.
I have a doll.
A
A
dog.
dog.
I have a house.
A house.
I have a teddy.
A
A
teddy.
teddy.
I have a puzzle.
A
A
puzzle.
I
puzzle.
have a book.
A
A
book.
book.
I have a music box.
Music box.
Music
I
box.
have a yo-yo.
A yo-yo.
I have a fox.
A
A
fox.
Toys, toys,
Toys.
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 I like
Like
to
to
share.
share.
Toys,
Toys.
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 Let's
Let's
play
play.
together.
All right. Now look and say, what is it?
No.
Very good.
No.
How about this one?
House.
Dollhouse. Very good. How about
No.
this? Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Great. How about this?
Yo-yo.
Very good.
Book.
Nice. Plus,
Bus.
pop. Very good.
Mic bus.
Okay, music box.
Music box.
Yay. Puzzle.
Castle.
Great job. Give me a high five. Yay. Now let's learn. Look, listen, and repeat. Bowl.
Ball.
Very good.
Doll.
Dog.
Nice.
Robot.
Robot.
Very good.
Train.
Train.
Yay.
Car.
Car.
Great.
Plane.
Pin.
Nice. Okay, now look and read. What have you got? I have got a car.
I have got a car.
Very good. How many cars have you got? I have got
I
3
got
cars.
3 cars.
Great. Okay, now your turn. What have you got?
I have got a car.
Very good. How many cars have you got?
I have got 3 cars.
Very good. Give me a high five. Nice. Now let's practice. Look, what have you got?
Then
I have got a plane.
I have got a pen.
Very good. How many planes have you got?
I have gained 3 uh uh banana.
Okay, look. I have got 1 plane.
I have got 1 ballet.
Very good. Look, what have you got?
I have gone the car.
Very good. How many cars have you got?
I have car 3 car.
Very nice. Give me a high five. Yay. Okay, look. What have you got?
Train.
I have got a train.
I have gone a a train.
Very good. Okay, look. What have you got?
I have the robot.
Nice. What have you got?
The I have gone a the dog.
Yay. Okay, last one. What have you got?
I have gone the ball.
Very good. Give me a high five. Yay! You have great job, Uyen. Okay, now Uyen, do you want to play? Do you want to play?
Yes.
Great. Now look, read, and write a number. Look, this is an example. A ball. Where is the ball? Hmm. Number
Ball. Ball.
one. Very good. Now your turn.
Robot.
Very good. Where is... Yes. Okay. How about this one?
Three cars.
Yes. Where are the three cars?
Yes.
Where are they?
Drop.
Where
C.
are the cars? Very good. Okay. Now look, how about this one?
Train. Train. Train.
Train.
Mm,
Train.
Train.
Very good. Yay. Okay, last one.
Van. Black.
Very good. You've got 6 out of 6. Give me a high five, Uyen. Yay! You have one big candy. Very good. Okay. Now, Uyen, look at this. Listen and write. What have you got?
Got a ball.
Very good. Now, let's write it. Ball. B A
B.
L L. Ball.
Ball.
Very good. How about this one? What have you got?
Robot.
I've got a...
I got a robot.
Very nice. Okay. Now look, what have you got?
I have got got a dog. Dog.
Nice. Doll.
Dog.
Wow. Okay, last one. What have you got? I've got
Have
a... Wow. Train. Give me a high five. Great. You have 4 out of 4. You have one happy star. Yay. Okay, now Uyen, look, read, and circle. What have you got? I've got a
I got ball.
very good. Look, what have you got?
No.
I've got a
I go the.
nice. Chaga chaga, what
I
have you
got
got?
I got I got a twin.
Yes. Okay, last one. What have you got?
Yes,
I've
I
got
have got I have gone a robot.
wow. Give me a high five, Uyen. Amazing. You have this great job. Yay. Okay, now Uyen, look and let's play a game. Look at this. Where are the dolls? Circle all the dolls.
No.
Doll, dolls, dolls. Where are they? Circle them. Nice. Okay. How many dolls have you got?
Five.
How many?
Five.
I have.
I have five.
Okay, one more. I have got 5 dolls.
I have gone five doors.
Very good. Okay, look. Where are the robots? Tit, 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 tit. Where are the robots? Nice. Very good. How many robots have you got?
I have four doors.
Very good, Uyen. Okay, now where are the trains? Chaga chaga. Toot, toot. Circle them. Wow. How many trains have you got?
I have four. I have four days.
Great. Okay. Where are the cars? Beep, beep. Wow. Very good. How many cars have you got?
I have three. I have three cars.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3,
Six,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many cars have you got?
I have 9 cars.
Yay, one more. Look, look. I have got 9 cars.
I have got Nine car.
Yay! Give me a high five. Great. Now, last one. Where are the balls? Wow. How many balls have you got?
Gone five balls.
Great job. You have one big star. Very good, Uyen. Now, what did you learn? I learned.
I learned
What did you learn, Uyen? I learned toys. What
I
toys?
learned
Doll?
the ball.
Very good.
Twin.
Train.
Black. Black.
What's that?
But black.
Black? Like this?
Robot.
Robot. Very good. Plane.
Plane.
Okay, how about this? Beep,
Car.
beep. Car. Okay, now look at this one. What have you got? What have you got?
The
Great. What have you got?
ball.
Nice. What have you got? I have
Twin.
got
I have got twin.
a train.
A twin.
Okay. What have you got?
I have got a robot.
Very good. What have you got?
I have car. I have got a car.
Yay! Great. So you have another one. Great job. Okay, now do you want to play a game? Yes? Do
Yes.
you? Very good. Now let's have a spelling game. I say the word and you spell it. Okay?
Hãy
Yes.
chơi trò chơi đánh vần nhé. Tôi nói từ đó và bạn đánh vần nó nhé.
Okay?
Okay.
Great. Number one, doll. Doll.
The
Doll.
D O O O
That's right. D-O.
O
Very good. Next, car. Car.
car
Very good. Next, ball. Ball. Amazing. Next, plane. Plane. Wow. Next, hmm, robot. Robot. Very good. Okay, next. Plane. 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 Okay, one more. P
P
L
L
A N
A
E.
N E
Plane. Okay, now your
plane
turn. Plane.
plane
Plane.
plane
Okay, last one, last one. Train. Train. Try again. P R A
R A
I N.
R N
Okay, now your turn. Train. Train. Very good. So you have 1 stars. Okay, let's talk. Now listen. Let's talk. You listen to teacher and answer.
Hãy nói chuyện, bạn nghe giáo viên và trả lời.
Okay?
Okay.
Great. Have you got a car? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Wow. Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Very good. Have you got a plane?
Yes, I have.
Wow. Have you got a doll?
Yes, I have.
Great. Have you got a robot?
Yes, I have.
Have you got a train?
Yes, I have.
Yes or no?
Yes, I have.
Wow, great job. Keep up the good work. I hope you learned something. You have 1 great job, 1 big star, another great job, another big star, and 1 candy. Yay! Bye-bye, Uyen.
Bye, teacher.
Bye!
À, lớp khác. Rồi à.